So hey y'all, I'm gonna try and make this quick as possible. I found a little cheat to my heat induction sterilizer. I got it for mycology purposes, sterilizing instruments, mainly like a hobby knife or scalpel. And I've been using this recently. This is actually a Wells blowgun dart broadhead. Shape it a little better maybe for what I'm using it for. But so anyway, this is actually an Amazon heat induction sterilizer. I bought it for $10. I got sick of trying to make one and use all these different tricks, and it was unsuccessful. Too much work for $10. So you could hook this up to a car battery or a motorcycle battery. Because of the voltage, you gotta make sure you use DC. Don't plug it in the wall because they don't give you instructions with these. But there is a negative and a positive on this, so you got to make sure it goes to the right terminal. It does matter. You will fry it. But anyway, instead of using a car battery or whatever seems a little ridiculous, I actually looked at one of these small Milwaukee batteries, the ones for like the jackets and whatnot. If you look at it, it's I thought it said on there 12 volts somewhere on it. It does say 12 volts. I seen it, so I was like, yeah, why don't I use this? So I marked it. I did find out the hard way that there is a correct way and an incorrect way. I just caught it quick enough. But anyway, these batteries work absolutely great. That's the best way I found so far. I got several of them, so I just recharge them. But anyway, how this works then. So this coil, it comes not attached for whatever reason, so you do have to solder it on. I thought about making a bigger coil, less turns, more turns, kind of play with that. It's not a big deal to unsolder that. So anyway, on the ends of the wire that I just used a flat blade electrical connector, and then it slides down in there real easy. So I'll show you how it works. The light comes on. We'll start with something simple. I got these tools over here. I'll heat them up real quick. So you got a paper clip. Pretty quick. Then this is typically what I use for the Mycology stuff. This is just a hobby knife. It's hot pretty quick. And the dart. The thicker the metal, the longer it takes to heat up. But it is getting pretty hot, pretty quick. It's pretty cool. And then screwdriver. I do want to add though, it does have to be magnetic, so it's got to have iron in it. It's got a magnet's got to be able to stick to it, or it won't work. So it won't do brass, copper, aluminum. It is making it hot. Oh, where you at? Didn't make a heat mark. You can see it smoking. But anyway, yeah, that's the quickest, easiest way to hook this thing up, I think. I said there's a dozen other ways you can do it, but it all look like a pain in the butt. So there it is.